Kukhuluma ke ngemholi ungaka background ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma ngani is tantamount to noma ke it's similar to inhlebo. That's one. Two, ngishito ngathi lento lesiyikhuluma la itaba la in the next 30 years 40 years. Laba labatabe bayibuka in 30 years 40 years batabe bangadi ukuthi bekutrenda ini kulamalanga. That is why ngoba sigcina iHansard ngelimi laseParliament sigcina umbiko njengobunjalo kufuna mababuka bathi ukuthi bengiphendula ini on this matter. So this is what I'm going to respond to pointedly on what the big boss is saying. And ngidawucala ngakunye Maswati. Ngifuna ukuthi post-chalisha njengaNkulunkulu lothi noma umkhuluma kabi angathukutheli noma ngabuva buhlungu. Ngiyabuva buhlungu. Kodwa le ngikukhumbula kona le ngikwati kahle ukuthi akusesiko nje ukuthi sithi 70 talomzabalazo wengululeko weMaswati. Sekungetulu kwalokho. Sifike esigabeni la sesithi gcila talomsebenzi wengululeko weMaswati. Sithi gcila talomzabalazo. And we deliberately decided ukuba tigcile sikuthi sethe ngamabomu silingise umuntu amukela Jesu wakhetha kuba sigcila selivangeli ngamabomu. So uma ke usigcila a slave, slaves do not have rights. Tigcila tide malungelo. Slaves cannot negotiate. They are slaves. So ngitsini leli joka lelithi sitabohle sinyatheleka. Sibohle sivakaleka ngathi siyethukwa. Sibohle sivakaleka ngathi umcondo wethu awufanishini kahle kushiwo lokho in public. But noma sekushiwo lokho singakhethi sikubona sikuva. Singakhethi ukuthukuthela. Sikhethe ukuthi kulento leyendeka ko yini lengasita abantu. Lokungasita abantu ke kubaqhazela kulethi inkulumo letilumelako letilapha letishuwo ukuthi cha lokhu akusilo liciniso manje lo mholi ukubuke ngendlela yena la kubuka ngayo ngoba labanye abantu aba understanding ekwempela ukuthi uthini kulethi inkulumo lotisho. That is why I'm taking this 10 minutes to explain that. My brother the big boss Comrade Monty, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngemagama akho utshela umhlaba ukuthi u decided to blast Gawuzela on Facebook. You don't need to get to that. I'm a listening person. Not unless uva ngathi sewehlulekile, you are trying to put your point across. Even if you put your point across, there's no need to blast. You can do it. I mean, I will never blast Monty. It's part of me. I will only say Monty asicabanga kufana kuloko. That's one. Igama lolushito ukuthi you opted to blast. Number 2. Uthi Monty ngisuggeste ukuthi Mswati must stay in power. Angiphoqa my brother. Angake mina ngithi Mswati must stay in power. No. Angake ngikhulume leyo subject leyo. Ungafane uthi lolubito lokuthi sicela ndvunankulu lokhethiwe implies ukuthi ngithe Maswati akambeketelele Mswati in power. You see, implication let's strategy losikhulumako si imply ukuthi uthi akachubeka kahlale. Ayifani nekuthi uthi lokuthi uthi akube ndvunankulu lokhethiwe lona magunya uthi Mswati is fit to be the king. Letinye tinto tivakala tifana kodwa tona wona bhuti Monty atifani mase uapply ubuchopho wa apply ingcondo wabuka lokuthi it looks similar but it is not the same. Lamagama la ngithula wa similar na same akusiyo into yinye. It will rather look similar but it is not the same. That's my number 1. Number 2. My number 3. Uma ngithi athi la Maswati acela ndvunankulu lone magunya lokhethiwe bese uyabuya wena uthi it is not a strategy, is stupidity. Stupidity is done by people in most cases who are stupid. Kungako ngithi leli gama lelo liyahedla. Stupidity is normally done by people who are stupid. Ngifuna ke ukuthi my brother We come too far to be here. If we were stupid, I don't think we would be here. If we are stupid, I don't think Mswati would have shaken to the level yokudubula abantu bebaleni if we were stupid. Ngiyangithi ke mina awusiko lokushoko ungilolo kwendako. You don't just say I am smart. You display your being smart bese kusho labakubonako ukuthi you are smart. Kungako lamagama abo smart akusiwe magama la kumele ukuthi sithi khombe wona ukuthi hayi mina ngismart kunabani bani is stupid. Those titles, they are reserved to those who assess. Siyawasho nanathi siwakhombe kithi sibantu ngoba mawucala ukuthi so and so is stupid, it means you are claiming superior logic to that person. Udiveta udikhanza umcondo wakho uhluteke ngalokungedulu kuloyo muntu. Bengicela my brother asikudzingi futhi bengicela nakubo bonke nje labanye, we don't need that. Can we please not do it? Yebo, let's critique each other, but singakhobosani ngekwemcondo ngoba lokukhobosana ngekwemcondo uyawukhanza ukuthi uyamkhobosa umuntu kanti lo mkhobosa ukuthi awukhanza ukuthi kungendeka kube akasingale ndlela omcabanga ngayo. Ngikhuluma nalegama la stupidity liyahedla, is not correct. Butmonti ke uthi lembe lesisho kweyandunankulu nemagunya ide clarity. Uyabuya uthi ide leverage. Kusebenza icingo lebantu kunjalo amaswada kithi. Angathi ukuthi nje lapho ngivala njani yalo lo bose livalekile. Uthi lude clarity. Lide jurisdiction. Lide leverage. That's what he's saying. Ngifuna kumchazela ke Butmonti on that one. Clarity ithi emaswati before 2021 akhuluma kimi, akhuluma kubacede, ngayi-analyze lento la ikhuluma njengemuntu loseparlamente, ngayi-understand ukuthi athini emaswati makathi acela kunjinjwe the constitution i-accommodate ukuthi ndunankulu akhethwe edlula athi singa substitute nje lokukhethwa. Buya sisilo ngitshela lokuthi ukhathwa njani la ifonini yakho, bayashaya kakhulu abangani bakho. So athe maswati, let's not substitute, singanjinji indlela leta ngayo kuphela, asinjinje indlela leta ngayo, siphinde sinjinje emandla lataba nawo. Le ndlela leta ngayo nyalo ingumuno. That's number one. Athe maswati cha akaye phansi kwesihlahla yokhangasa, akaye tonke indzawo yokhangasa. Number two, athi akabe nemagunya, executive powers. Lokungekho kulo lokhona. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi tonke tinqumo tithathelwa kuye. Lo lokhona usebenza nakulokuthiwa ngama-delegated powers. In short, Russell akasiye ndunankulu ngumswati. So Russell sandla samswati. Masikhuluma ngale constitution simplifier. Russell uphethe lijazi lamswati. Ngalo kwemthetho sisekelo athi ke maswati akaphathe lijazi le maswati, akube ukuthi nguye lone magunya laphelele, akaceli kumuntu, akaconsulti kumuntu, akusho lo mthetho. That is executive powers. So mawuthi uma sesikwendile sitababete jurisdiction, you are not correct, because constitutionally speaking lo muntu tabe se ati ukuthi ngiyembolo njeni ngiye kaShewula ngiyocela livote. Lo muntu kumele ahambe wonke eSwaziland ngendlela bo Ramaphosa, ngendlela bo prime minister bala, ngendlela bo prime minister base Canada labasebenta ngakhona, ayocela livote kuze ati labantu. So lokho kwenda lokuthi athi belungu bakhe ukuthi bobani, njengoba nelunga leparlamente lati ukuthi umlungu walo unangilo lekhaya lomnikete livote. So mawuthi kutababete jurisdiction, that is not correct, because atabe sakhona lama constitutional reforms. Ngithi lokho angikwende kube clear. Ngedlule uthi kutababete leverage maswati uma ndunankulu sangehead with executive, ucishe kufana nalokwendeka eCanada, ucishe kufana nalokwendeka eAustralia. Lo babe lophethe le live lokuthiwa le Mangisi Charles unge-head of state emaveni lamakhulu langu-14 lafaka ekhathi boCanada. Ndvunankulu lapha eCanada nje akafuni lutho lwaCharles. Charles is just an official image yokuthi nge-head of state. Kungako lamanye aningi emaswati nje akade ukuthi inkosi yaseCanada ngiCharles. Lo iCanada engale USA. Emaswati lamanye ngakade ukuthi inkosi head of state wase-Australia ngiCharles. Ngale ndlela abakulabo kulumele le ndlela ondvunankulu long yena aphatha tindvo ngakhona. So ngithi ke the leverage you understand see that thing kulanga lamanye emave ngisaya ekuthena how did we get to this. Angedlule ke Bootmont Big Boss nemaswati lamanye ngiphindze ngilethe na into nayo. Emaswati ayathi ukuthi Mswati nebukhosi is a parasite. Kufuna ngikwende kube clear hayi ukuthi akakwati. Mine ngiyathi ukuthi Mswati angathi ukuthi ukukhona umuntu longacabanga ukuthi angibathi buhlungu bamswati. I don't need to explain that. Kodwa mawuthi ngilibele ngithanza Mswati. Ngibese ngiyakubuka nje ukuthi uthini. Do I need to explain kulobuhlungu lengibo? So ngithi ke Dlamini wekunene ayade emaswati. How did we get to this? Ngifuna ukuthi Bootmont njengoba ngimela la ngikhona khona mina ngiyakholwa ngiyati ukuthi after an elected prime minister with executive powers that will not be the end of the road. Ngifuna ngikwende kube clear. Kungako ngake ngathi kulaba bakangwane lalelana. Uma nehluleka ukukhola Mswati to order nibulala le institution lokuthiwa yimonarchy. Ngedlula ngathi lokho ngikusho ngoba niyafuna nifuni lamandla alondvunankulu emaswati ndabanika. Ngasho nje ngase ngithi nibokwati ke lokutawuse kuyendeka langa lamandla sakibo. Ukhona lo defend monarchy mase siku stage 2. Ukhona lo yovakala ukuthi uteka yona indzaba yemonarchy mase siku stage 2. Ngatshela bangani bobhuti wamswati nebakubo ngathi lalelana Mswati is not about him. Mswati is a face of the monarchy. Otherwise kune monarchy noma ngabe Mswati angekho. We must know that. Ngase ngithi laba labangibona baciza imonarchy kumele bamtshele ukuthi lalela into lesingeke sigeje. Labantu batawugcina bamthethe lo hulumende wabo. Ukuthatha hulumende yini? Emasotsha athathisa kuwe. Emaphoyisa athathisa kuwe in terms of emaholo and everything. Bathathisa kundunankulu konke. La ngakujikele ngcwembe lephakela kuyabuya kule sive la kundunankulu. Kuyawuphela ukuthi okandaba uthi 10. Akana ukhiphe malola hulumende athi akathwale abantu baye emaganweni. Akana ukhiphe malola hulumende athi akathwale abantu baye birthday ya. Kuyawunjini akana uhola le mali la ihola uyawutshelwa ngundunankulu ukuthi wo lo sekufika kuqala la ngemaswati. Ngaleli langa lela akana ufaka simemetele eredweni na ku TV. Athi bukhosi buthi kunjinje lamandla constitutional. Lalelana emandla kusilo liphimbo kuthi ivoice yabani. Emandla kuthi emagunya alomlohlethi lapha angakanani. Bamtatatelela babe masotsha ngoba ngabaqosha aphinza baqashe namuhla. Bamtatatelela bondvunankulu ngoba ngabaqosha aphinza baqashe namuhla. That is what we call authority. Usime kuloko watshelwa ukuthi kusuka namhla emaswati sakhulekile, there is political space. Lo akasakhonjwa nguye. Tinjinjile tinto. Ngilangathi khona nene bemonarchy cabangani lelanga lelo. Emaswati ayawuthi na Jubi Network. Emaswati ayawuthi wasidubule baleni. Emaswati ayawuthi wathi Sidibhe Mansango. Emaswati wathi ayawuthi Timayi Ntonga bethi ukuthi thathwa nguye adla. Emaswati ayakubala konke lokwendiwe ngulobabe bese athi ngoba nine bakubo benehluleka kumkhola to order. Lento lesekuthiwa imonarchy asisayifuni. Ngithi ngalelo langa ningabe nite lamaredo nemasotsha. Because the power of this document yawube isukile. Phela Mswati ukhipha sibhamu uyadubula
ulwa kangaka makuthiwa kube nandvunankulu lokhethiwe u-understanda lamandla lasuswa la kuye ukuthi makhulu kangakanani futhi udla kangakanani kiyo akakabhemi nje ukuthi ubhemile uya-understanda lokuthi hey langa labantu bathi ndunankulu ngwabo angina say futhi number 2 unama-executive powers sengisithipha ngingumuntu ngoba ngithandwa abantu nyalo labantu sebavele bayangenyanya lamaswati kwazeke baphindze bakhona ukuthi bekela uhulumende ngabasithipha inkosi yase KZN ayisiso sithipha ngoba lamazulu ayithanza noma ide magunya itikwa kuhulumende kodwa ayiligcapho kulabantu bakwaZulu why bayivaluisha bayibona as a symbol of unity inkosi yala Charles ide mandla kuhulumende ayikwendi konke lokho kodwa isiso sithipha ngoba isenhlitweni yalabantu ngoba ihlala yenda lokwenza labantu baphile ngcono in terms of advices to the government in terms of anything ayisithipha lena ke nyalo maseyide mandla iphinze inyanywa abantu yabasithipha ngithi kangikutshele ke uTmonti ukuthi masisho njalo thina siyathi ukuthi this is a journey ngicela kwenda nje uTmonti nalamanye maswati uma ngisesiphofaneni ngifuna kuya kaManzini kufuna ngiunderstand ukuthi nginesidududu nginelibhayisikili noma nginemoto noma nginebus fare noma ngide bus fare ndahamba ngetinyawo ndahamba ngelibhayisikili ndahamba ngesidududu ngagibela ibhasi kufuna ngiluhlele lo hambo lwami ukuthi kusasa noma ke evikini lelitako ngalesingaki ngidaya kaManzini ngitibuta ukuthi yini lenginayo lengidawuhamba ngayo kaManzini lele nginako kuleso sikhathi kungitshela ukuthi angisuke nini ekhaya kuya kaManzini uma ngidawuhamba ngetinyawo kufuna ngiplane liviki lekuwokha mangidawuhamba ngelibhayisikili kufuna ngiliservice ngisuke ekuseni uma ngidawuhamba ngebhasi kufuna ngathithi khathi tebhasi mangidawuhamba ngesidududu kufuna ngitinike nje 35 minutes to 40 minutes mangidawuhamba ngemoto kufuna ngitinike nje i-hour the means determines the end lokuthi yini lo tayisebenzisa ukutshela ke lokuthi utawuqala phi ubhekephi kwanyale maswati atibuke emathulusi ekulwa lempi lanayo ukuthi ngiliphi wol thulusi lokuqala uthatha le city yethu yandunankulu mase silithethe le thulusi sathi kahle ukuthi kufuneka nakulokuthiwa i-separation of powers mswati kufuna bengekho etinkantolo anganokhombe majaji lasibhulisha ngawo mswati kufuna ngangena eParliament kuthi ukuze kuhlangane indlu letimbili tibitwa ngumswati kuqala that's the separation of powers ayakwate emaswati ukuthi we will need this stage of separation of powers uma kwendiwa ama-constitutional reforms ngoba lama-constitutional reforms angeke ndiwe eParliament atawendiwa i-dialogue yesive kutawusho wona lokuthi njengoba singena ku-dialogue i-dialogue lasikhiphela i-document esigayidako leyi-constitution injongo yethu ithi le document le ayithi ndunankulu ukhethwa abantu akuhambi kodwa kuyipackage kunekuthi mswati njengoba ndunankulu akhethwa abantu banama-authorities utawuye eParliament iParliament letimele lekuze i-Senate ne-Assembly ihlangane kungasadzingeki mswati ngoba mswati akasekho in the picture of appointing still ne-judicial ayakwati emaswati siyakwati lokho kude lithuba lokuhamba sichaza lokho onke malanga but we understand our story kuqhamuke lo mnyumolo angakakubuthi athi that is stupidity we know how these things work and we understand ukuthi langa sesiyokwenza letinguquko ngeke kube ngemalunga eParliament kuphela there shall be commissions proper commissions there shall be proper dialogue kuyawubitwa bonke abantu makakhethwa lo ndunankulu kwente kanjani kune issue ema-political organizations kumele benelungelo lokuba legal akhona ku-stand contest yonke lento ingalelanga ukuthi hayi no sebasifoqile asibhawe kulento yokuthi bafuna ukuthi ikhethele mababhawa kuthi ipackage leqhamuka ngedialogue sitawukwenda njani kunjinjwa kuphi nakuphi how does the new constitution appear in the meantime njengoba sesivumelene lokuthi sine constitutional crisis njengoba sesivumelene in the meantime bobani labakuhulumende itohamba kahle le process that is the interim government Nithini babe Monti? Asikalali savuka la. Sacabanga sesitawukhuluma uthi we did not think it through. We've invested years and years. We've worked so hard in this thing. Ngithi kangichazeli yena yedwa waDlamini. Ngichazela onke lamaswati lathi yabona le concept lekuthi sikhuluma ngandvunankulu lona emagunya lokhethwe ngemaswati is a broad thing. It has many processes in it. The langa nje kuthiwa uvumile uyakudialogue. Uyathi naye ukuthi you can't just grab 59 namalungu eParliament uthi let's change the constitution. You need the nation for that. You need the political formations. You need everyone for that. Proper consultations. Iphuma idocument sibe mnanzi ngayo sonke. Ithi ngaphuma ke idocument. Ayangibuta ke maswati nyabe. Athi Kawuzela. On the question of head of state in an ideal government, sekwendekile konke njengoba sengishito ukuthi siqalo lesi. You see, when you wage a revolution, there should be what we call a clarion call. There should be what is called a center of the discussion. Ungatinaki ticucu letehlukene tawenda kukhuluma kufate kungevakali. Clarion call, statement that gets traction. Noma ngabe ngibani lokuleliva athi lokhu siyaku-understand, lokhu siyakudinga sonke. You converge on that. You can't wage a struggle based on maybe hate. Akawe Mswati siyamnyanya. Angisho ukuthi umuntu ushito njalo noma wenda lokho, but sengifundisa lamanye amaswati ukuthi this thing you understand ukuthi la ngidila netingcondo debantu ne-understanding yabantu. La I will need a converging point, a clarion call. La sima sonke sivumelane ukuthi lokhu siyakuthi kude longadi ukuthi ndvunankulu kuze abahloniphe bantu akabati bantu. I think I've explained that. Sengedlula ngithi alelani ke maswati. Last two things on this matter. Sengedlula ngithi kule question lethi mase sikubuta ke Kawuzela. Umbona akuphi Mswati in the best case scenario. Unge head of state noma irepublic. Cela Maswati ukuthi understand that two issues. Kukhuluma indzaba ye proper governance, ye democracy is one topic. Kukhuluma indzaba yokuthi akube ikingdom noma kube irepublic is another topic. Kodwa ingcondo lengakaconzi ngalokwanele iva ngathi sifundvo sinye noma ingcikithinye. There is democracy kuma monarchies. Kulamanye emave. So that's why ngithi these are two separate topics. Leyo mayi-two adzinga ku-attendwa. Ngafundziswa ke mina ukuthi mawuye embini awulwi le ulwe le at the same time. Ulwa yinye uyicedza bese uyakulesibili. Ngathi lokho mina. So uma uthi angiphendule lo mbuto ngidawuthi ngicela ke Maswati ukuthi let's converge ukuthi siyamdzinga uhulumende webantu. Sithi singacedza bese siba ne question after that. Le live liba yi-monarch noma liba yi-republic. Republic lisuke ligovernishwa ngu-president. Bangibuta eMaswati. Yami impendulo ithi kude kweMaswati ngaphandle kweMaswati. There is nothing for the Swazis without the Swazis. Akunendzaba ukuthi laba sebakwenyanya kangakanani lokhu kubagcilate kangakanani, laba bakuthanza nja kangakanani lokwenyanywa ngilabo, it doesn't matter. But the blood that runs in them, they're both Swazis. They have to find the common ground. Mina ngidzinga kuba clear kibo on proper governance. Asidingi kuvunyelwa ngumuntu. On democracy, that's God-given rights. Asidingi kuvunyelwa ngumuntu. Kodwa kule question lethi ngubani lobusa kubuswa njani, monarchy or republic, because sesinayo i-democracy, let that be our choice. How? This way. The government that has been democratically elected, lene mandla executive, lephethe amaphoyisa, lephethe amasotja, lephethe konke, inemsebenzi wekuyibuta le question. Maswati nilimele nishayiwe. Sesicela ke nyalo ukuthi sive ngani ukuthi nifuna ini. Kubitwa ngekuthi yi-referendum. Labantu batawungena eboxini, lo munye ubhala yes ngifuna irepublic noma ke ngifuna imonarchy. Akuthanza latwa. it is called a referendum. Ungakafiki ku referendum laba labathi le liva liqhubeke libe monarch akukajakwa nzawo, it could be 3 months bahamba wonke lama violence bamaketha kuthi akube yi-monarchy land. Nalaba labathi akube republic akukajakwa nzawo, time slots clear. Mswatude emasotsha ema-red akasesiwa akhe ayamaketha emaswati ningasayivumi lento ye-monarchy yanicilada kanje fair chude manikinike ebaleni bese lonke liswati liyathi khulumela kubalwa livote okugcineni uyatshelwa mswati bakuganile basi noma wababulala basakudinga ukuthi noma ungafa wena lo landzela ke emva kwakho akabe kusho labantu wonanga wonwe kunene asakhelenye indlela ukuthi bukhosi buba kuphi, otherwise lamaswati athathinga irepublic kunakulena kwena period. It's not Makaukau, it's not Swalima who will tell you that. You will, a scientific way of finding out interest in Maswat will be put in place, and that scientific system or tool will tell us. I don't believe in a situation where labatanza lokutsite kufuna bathi impose ethi kwalabanye asi impose indaba democracy is a fundamental human right. Noma uyakufuna Mswati noma no uthatha imali yethu, that's a fundamental human right. It's not up for negotiation. Lesiya ukukhuluma ngilokuya ngicabanga ukuthi sengicedzile lenzaba bathi ke labanye uyanjinja eMaswati. Liqiniso ukuthi Times yake yathi Swalima uthide ufuna iRepublic. Liphepha lokucala mangicedza kulonja ngidakhuluma kube sebaleni. Angifuni ukuthi leli phepha lokucala lalicambe manga kodwa ngifuna ukuthi leli phepha lokucala laba balilikhela a wrong freedom charter or liberation charter. Swalima uguidwa yi-liberation charter. Kuna yokuqala i-liberation charter leyayikhona before siyolauncha Swalima. Yayinalo ukuthi Lotabang head of state will be elected by the people. Before siyolauncha ema-documents asakhiwe. We sat down before launch. We asked serious questions. We spent nabosiphetho, I think 4 hours. We agreed ukuthi akusikwethu kutshele eMaswati ukuthi akube republic. Kungako ke we need to change that. We agreed. The liberation charter lengayilauncha yayide lokho. Unfortunately, Times ngalokuthi everywhere kuba netinyoka bamkhiphela lengakayilaunch. Attack yakhe wathi uthole i-liberation charter which was wrong. Sengende naba bathi ingane nanjinja, we have never changed. We bosiphetho nabobusi bayathi 3 to 4 hours silwa ngalento leyo. And I was clear even there ukuthi I think there is nothing for eMaswati without eMaswati. It is possible ukuba buta through a referendum ukuthi bafunani. Why ke eMaswati singakafanele ukuthi sikhulume ngendzaba ya monarchy na republic nyalo? Why singakafanele? Why it is wisdom kungakhulumi ngamonarchy na republic nyalo? It is wisdom because laba lapha ku monarchy bayabona lokuthi siyaludzinga loluntshintsho ngoba nabo bayafa edibhedlela. Siyamdzinga ndifuna ngulokhethiwe baku monarchy kodwa le monarchy bona bayithanza. Laba labangala ku MDM bayabona lokuthi hayi siyalidzinga luntshintsho but abasamdzingi naMswati. Laba labangu-2 i-common factor laba ku monarchy naba ku MDM i-common factor kibo bonke bayavumelana ukuthi akuntshintshwe indlela kahulumende but abavumelana ukuthi mase kuntshintshwe kube ngibani yedwa. So ithi ke le wisdom, let us stick on what we agree on. Asihlale kuloko fundamental. Si uma ngabe eMaswati angu-500 noma ngu-500,000 400,000 uyavumelana ukuthi siyaludzinga luntshintsho. Kodwa ungaqala kuphindze ufake lenzebe ukuthi kuheda bani sebathatha lapha emangabe nithi kulolu ntshintsho nitamkhipha lo muntu wethu hayi sesitamdefenda noma endatika. You then remain with 300,000 when you had an opportunity to stand with 500,000. Prioritize what you need now. Don't attend to issues that will divide you. ungathi manihlangene lana ing-1000 uthi sengithi sonke kunalaba labangale laba clear ukuthi akasalathethwa ndunankulu utabaqosha ngale ukuthi uthe sowufake itag ukuthi on top of that akube ngiloko iswalimo ke i-movement lokuba i-movement yakhelwe kuwisa tinkundla ithi mayiwisa tinkundla kungene insandvo elinenge mase kunensandvo elinenge ngila engagucuka khona ibe yiphathi ngakusho ngilonje ngidakusho nyalo movement le is going to be a party the day sekwendekela ama-constitutional reforms sesikhona contest power ngilayita abane ideology yes i-liberation charter yethu it's clear it leans on socialism but as a movement we are not pushing an ideology phambili because we are a broad change labanye lakithi bangema-capital but bayabona lokuthi hayi lento lena ayisebenzi sibanenge ke thina be-socialism but because of our nature we are a broad church at this moment we need everyone to overthrow the regime. That's why we don't push ahead of everything in ideology. We push, not that we don't have an ideology. Go and ufunze i-liberation charter, it will give indications of our ideology. Ngithi angikuchache lokhu Maswati ndokwathi ukuthi into lesiyendako ubokwathi nga2 ekuseni kwenziwa nga2 wathi ukuthi nga3 ngendaba nga4 ngendaba ungagaluji ungatibone ngaphambili kwalala ukhona khona nyalo cetha le step lokisi uthi ungasicetha uye kulesinyekela kudingeka na pelepele khikhini kutawuvula ukuthiwe thengisana ama ideologies sesiyela ukhethweni sell your ideologies that will be another stage not now kodwa nyalo ungayidayisi ideology uyidayisele to entice labantu batobona ukuthi la usisa khona kutawukwendeka ini. That's why you bring in those things for that but you don't focus on that, you focus on the liberation for now ngalo ukuthi for people to liberate themselves to move from one point to the other but zingakuba ne-idea ukuthi la siyakhona kutaba njani. That's why ke sometimes we bring in kutawukwendekani in the new Swaziland. I've spent too much time but that was very important. Ngithi angisite la Maswati